Hi friends, if you are willing to create a stunning portfolio website, you are watching a right video. In this video, we are going to create a very perfect portfolio website using a very good WordPress theme, and this is the demo website that is using the WordPress theme that we are going to overview in this video. This is Casio. Casio is a WordPress theme for portfolio, and this is basically AJAX portfolio WordPress theme. So AJAX is a very good technology for loading the web pages, and it is totally AJAX portfolio theme, and it has been developed by the Artem Samkin. So Artem Samkin being the original developer of this theme, they are elite author. The theme came into existence in 2019, and regular updates for this theme is also being done time to time. Casio is a premium AJAX WordPress theme powered by Elementor page builder, and it is suitable for interior agencies, architects, home decoration, and landscape designers who want to showcase their creative portfolio with a slick premium touch. Okay, so this is the introduction, and the theme is well compatible with the latest version of WordPress, Elementor, and the latest browser. And we are going to overview this theme features, and of course we are going to create a demo website using this theme. I'm assuming you have already taken a domain name and hosting for your upcoming website. If not, you may follow the link given in the description to get all the things that you need for your website. And I'm having this fresh installation of WordPress that is running the 2022 WordPress theme on the latest version of WordPress, and we are going to start our installation from the tools site health screen. We need to check everything is fine here, and we are using a very optimized WordPress hosting that you can avail by following the link given in the description. Again, wpthemes website. And just in case if you need any support and want a developer support and the WordPress expert support, you can also join the iCreate program that is also available at wpthemes website. The link is available, and you can simply join the iConnect for your upcoming website project. Your mentor will definitely help you in making your website live and up. Okay, so this is the target website in this video with us, and we are going to install this Casio WordPress theme. I'll show you the theme pack. And the theme pack, I have this demo content folder in which we have got XML version of demo content, documentation, licensing, the main theme file, and the child theme file. So of course we are going to use this main theme file for our installation purpose, and this is only the installable file. To proceed with the installation, we have to be in the appearance section of WordPress, click on themes, and by default 2022 is here. We can add new theme here, upload theme, choose file, and we just need to upload the casio.zip file. So I'm selecting this and install now. Okay, so it may take a bit depending on your server capacity, and you can also upload the theme directly to WP content themes folder. Since if you are getting the hosting from WP themes via WP themes website, you'll be getting all the controls on your hosting. So this is the cPanel that we are getting in the hosting, and we can upload the theme directly in the WP content themes folder. It is very simple. Casio is uploaded since we have uploaded the front end uploader, and the theme has been installed successfully, and we can go to the themes screen to check. Okay, so the Casio is available as another theme option along with the default theme. Let us check the details. This is Casio version 2.8.8 by Artem Samkin, AJAX portfolio WordPress theme. As on date, this is being the latest version of the theme. And when you are ordering the theme by following the link given in the description, you might be getting an updated version of theme. But yes, the installation process and the basic features will remain almost same. And let us activate the theme. Okay, so upon activation, we got landed on the setup wizard page. This is going to be very easy for us. We can simply go with the setup wizard. Simply click on start, and it is asking for installing the child theme. We can go with the child theme as well, so we can install the child theme. And on the next screen we have the install plugins, and we have options of plugins that is required and recommended for this theme. So Casio core is the required plugin, that is main plugin, and as I said, this theme uses Elementor page builder. Kirky is the customizer, and contact form 7 available, custom icons for Elementor, Envato Market, intuitive custom post order, and all these plugins are available. So what we can do, we can simply click on install. It will install all the necessary and recommended plugins. So installation of plugins is going on, and it will hardly take a minute, I believe, and just let this process complete and wait on the screen. Kirky is installed, contact form 7 is being installed, custom icons for Elementor, and the Envato Market, intuitive custom post orders, and all plugins got installed successfully without any trouble. And on the next screen we have option to import content, and again we can select what actually we want to import on our website. This is content, widgets option, and after import. So by default all options are selected here, and we can simply go with this and click on import. Now the import process is begin, and it will again take hardly 2 or 3 minutes, as I assume. It depends on your internet capacity and server speed as well, and it also depends on the connectivity with the developer server and all. So you have to be on this screen without disturbing, and don't hit the back button, don't refresh the page, and wait until you get any message on this screen. And it hardly took 3 to 4 minutes for me in importing all the demo content, and now I have this message: all done, have fun and view your website. Let us take a look of our website, how it looks with the demo content, and whether it is really complete. Okay, so I am waiting. Okay, so we are here, and the website is loading the very first time. It may take time, and the loader is really good. Okay, so this is wonderful website with us, and we got this. So this is hamburger menu as well, home pages. We can check the home pages, home page 2, all home pages are here, so we can choose of course any of these home pages for our project, and it is really a very peculiar and good. Okay, so this is home page 2, and as you can see, and this is really good, and the slider is really wonderful, and the black background is good one. This is the complete website, home page 2, and we can check the home page 3 as well. So all the home pages are here at our installation. We can select any as our home page. Just we need to set the home page, and this is home page 3, and we got this another one. Okay, so it is really good, and we have completed the installation, and we got the pages, internal pages, home pages as well, portfolio sliders, and let us check the about us page as well. And on the about page, this is the lookup about page. It is also very good, and according to the category, this is for interior websites. Okay, it is really good. So I'll show you the backend now and what we got in this installation, and it was really a smooth and simple installation, and I'll show you what additional things I got in this installation. So first of all, I can see the portfolio items are here. The portfolios are important because this is being a very evident that this is portfolio theme, and we can edit all these portfolio by clicking on edit with Elementor, and I'll show you one of the portfolio. Okay, so this is one portfolio, and we can simply edit the portfolio. So this is role service. Okay, so it is a great look page. So just in case if you are not using these portfolio pages, and you can use the add new for adding new or edit the existing content. Just keep in mind, whatever you are not using, you have to trash those pages and items. It is important from the SEO point of view. Next is services, so we can check the services page, and again we can have multiple services at our website, and you can edit the existing services page or add new services as well. So add new services option is also here. You can simply add new services and you will get all the elements of the services. Okay, it is simple and I have nothing much to show you about the services and all. Rest of things are as common as in WordPress, and it is very simple theme, and it is of course a stunning theme as well. And the basic customization options, as I believe, is available under customize tab under appearance. So the basic things can be availed here. We can access the basic customization options here. So this is basically, you can say, the theme panel as well. So a general style is here, like animation and all, trigger hook and reveal the transition, time scale, and all such basic settings. So you have to be careful while setting all these elements, like primary accent colors. Accent colors can be handled, secondary and primary accent colors. Layout, you can decide like fit full screen height elements or window resize options are here. Similarly, the typography is completely in your control. You can use these options. I'm showing you very quickly what you can do. Like theme options, like AJAX transition is here, so you can enable or disable these things. And cut and color, you can keep off white, or some options are here. And audio background, again you can use audio background on or off, just in case if you are willing to have an audio background, you can keep it on and upload the audio file like mp3 wav file. It is good for interior website, of course. Contact form 7 is here. Cursor follower, so if you want to change the cursor follower, this is the cursor follower, and you can change the accent as well. So primary of white, black, and drag me, the draggable sliders. Okay, so this is a good thing. And preloader, just in case if you don't want to have the preloader that is showing 100 number, you can disable that preloader. In some installation I have seen preloaders gets stuck, so you can disable the preloader just in case if you are having any trouble. Smooth scroll again is under your control. So as I said, this is an AJAX WordPress theme, and you have all the facilities available that can be availed through the AJAX. So it is smooth scroll option available for you, dumping and all. And next, outdated browsers notification and lazy images. So lazy preloader, you can use this, and just make sure if you are making any change, take a backup, or you can use the notepad files. Okay, so this is all about this Casio WordPress theme. And finally I can show you how you can edit these contents. And just open the page that you want to edit and click on edit with Elementor, and you'll be able to edit all the contents available on the page. This is slider area, I'm in the main area, hero area, and you can change the glass building, queen styles, so enabled, or so all the things that you want to edit is really available for editing, and you can simply edit the content using these options. And this widget displays the content dynamically from the existing portfolio items. So keep in mind, these are the portfolio items, and you have to edit the main content in the portfolio section as is shown in this video. So and rest of settings can be handled here. So this is the main thing, and you can simply edit all this content. And as I said, just in case if you need any support, we are well available here at iCreate. So one of our mentor will definitely help you in making your website live and up. Okay, so I believe I have shown you much of things about this theme, and you are going to use this theme for your architect portfolio project. and you can enable this theme by following the link given in the description. That will show you the theme forest link, and you will definitely buy this theme by following the link, and everything is available. Just follow the links, respective links. Okay, so let us meet in another video in which I'm going to bring another great WordPress resource for you. Thanks for watching. Keep building.